Good morning, Total Knee Replacement Support Group. My name is Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and in this video, I want to share an idea. So I started this Total Knee Replacement Support Group about three and a half years ago. And my goal in starting the group was to provide individuals with a safe environment to come and share their stories, to ask their questions, and to connect with other people who are dealing with the same challenges. And in that time, I've gotten the great pleasure to meet a lot of you and listen to your stories and learn. As a healthcare provider, as a physical therapist, your stories help educate me so that I understand the fears and the frustrations my patients are going through, and hopefully I can improve their patient care experience. But the root idea behind the program was to provide you, the population that I can't reach, with education, with information, to empower you to ask better questions and to find the answers that you're looking for. So my goal in the next coming weeks, if you are interested, is I would like to go out and I'd like to find some of the best professionals, the experts on specific topics. I want to find a lymphedema specialist who can come into the group and share their information, talk to us about managing the swelling, managing the healing, the tissue, minimize the scarring, all of that kind of stuff. I want to find an expert on sleep so that we can ask the questions, why is it so difficult to sleep after this procedure? Why am I tired all day and awake all night? We know that interrupted sleep slows down healing and increases pain sensitivity, so we want to optimize our sleep. I want to find an expert on nutrition. I want to talk to somebody about meditation and mindfulness. I want to know from you, what are the topics that you want to learn about, so I can go find those experts and bring them into our program to help educate and inform, but most importantly to empower us to really know what we're doing. Now, this is going to be a paid program because I am going to be paying these individuals to come speak to us. I'm going to keep the cost down as low as I possibly can, and it's the kind of information that it'll be recorded and you'll have access to the replays even if you can't make the live classes. But my question to you is twofold. So number one, if you like this idea, if you think you would be a participant and this is something you want to do, give this video a thumbs up. If you think this is a total waste of time and you don't want to do it because you've got all the information that you need, give this video a thumbs down. That's going to be my voting system so that I can gauge the interest you all have in this idea. And then if I didn't mention a topic that you want to learn more about, post that topic in the comments, either on Facebook or on YouTube, so that I can do the work. I can go find the expert to come and talk about that topic. Guys, as always, I wish you the best. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.